The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. Good morning, Jay. Good afternoon, Jay. How are you doing? Hey, John. So, let's take a look at the markets overnight, to market. You can see we had a very dramatic rise up. Low of the day was first candle, 41.28, rose all the way up to 40.70. So my early morning math says that's about, what did I say, 32 points. Pulling back in the last hour or so, hour and a half. Copper, about 140 ticks of range. Good evening, Borneo. Wow, I think I got morning, noon, and night here right now. People from all over the world. Once I get a website up, maybe we'll put a map up for the mark off the different places everybody is from. About 14 points of range there on gold. Ultra bond. About a point and a quarter range. Natural gas continues to fall and it's down. Its range today is just under 100 ticks. And last but not least, crude oil. Very tight range there, actually. And it's actually making a new daily low right now. Of course it is, as I try to do this. But its range is under a point, which is unusual. Morning, Omar. So that's where we sit or stand. Bitcoin under 23,000 and falling. So we're ready to rock and rumble. Our ATR just under 1 here on ES. Oh, not logged into the right account. Oops. Oopsie. There we go. May the blue skies be smiling on us today. Hey Juan, how are you today? We're touching our 100 here. Should do that in public. And going through. Going through the Oh, that's why it looks weird. Need to switch over to ES. There we go. Bounce it off of it again. Glad to hear that one. Good morning, JC. So news this morning, I know it's Thursday, so we have unemployment. Or jobless claims, I should say. Unemployment, jobless claims. And that's it. That is it for news this morning. Besides natural gas inventories at 10:30. If anyone's trading Asia tonight, be careful. At 8:30 Eastern, Chinese CPI comes out. Yeah, No news catalysts at all today besides that unemployment report. No, not even any Fed speakers on the docket. Need some music. Gonna go a different route with music today for myself. Morning, Matt. So, watching here. Bouncing on the 100. You can see it's very choppy. Let's look at NQ. Choppier there. So a little dip. We are underneath the 100, so this is a possible trigger, but they're not really a good one. How is Matt today? Oh, that's no good, Matt. That's the second time you've been sick now in the last couple of weeks. Matt JC wants to know if you're designing Bob Anderson's indicator. Oh, there we go. So a big move down there. I did not take that trigger, but should I say big? It's only 5 ticks. Let's see where it goes. If Matt's doing it, it's almost guaranteed to be good. Yep, we're dropping here. Dropping like it's hot. Now, you can see here, back here, this was a mess of consolidation for about 45 minutes. This is the area where we've dropped back down into, so we got to be careful. Matt, oh, I thought you'd been used to that with all everything Chef has put you through. Good morning, IMAD. How's IMAD today? Bring me back up. I did not take it. I should have, but I didn't. I didn't because, we saw this chop that came down, down, failed, 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 and then finally worked. I agree. Matt does deserve it. So I'm trying to break a red day streak here after having 4 out of 5 green days last week. I am down this week, 3 straight red days. Trying to get this Blue Sky account going back in the right direction. So again, I did not get the Blue Sky review video done last night. It was weird. I ate supper, and all of a sudden after supper, I got really, really tired. Like, I could not keep my eyes open. It was just this wave of tiredness came over me, and I just couldn't concentrate to do anything. I was trying to trade the evening, and I couldn't even do that. So I ended up basically sleeping until an hour before bedtime. So either there'll be 2 videos out tomorrow, Blue Sky and another one, or Blue Sky will come out on Saturday. Back up to the EMA, tickling it. Did you go back to trading after later in the day then, JC? I know you had said no trades. Yes, when you left here, you said no trades. Up and back down, maybe. Uh, so watching it possibly come back down. Seems like it wants to come down from its highs earlier. It looked like it was going to be a big trend day up to the upside. Now we'll have to see. See what unemployment does here in about 45 minutes. Instead of my binaural beats today, I'm on my motivational playlist. See if this goes to, you know, I've been thinking about actually going for actually smaller profit targets in the first hour that we are here on stream, but maybe double the contract. So go for 6 ticks, but 2 contracts. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you doing today? Regulators. We just kind of hem and haw here. Hem and haw, no. That Pennsylvania Dutch. White moon, orange Jews on the streets. Try to consume. Josh is pretty cool himself. Morning, busy. Probably gonna be doing an interview with Josh. I don't know. Gotta look at that. I gotta actually take time to come up with questions. Maybe I'll see if he's available, not next week, but the week after. I'll have to see if he was available in the morning. I like to start doing interviews, but I like to actually have him part of the live stream toward the end, like at an extra hour at the end or extra half hour at the end, whatever. And then I actually got to figure out how to use Zoom and stuff. And first, if you're enjoying today's stream, or if you just got here and you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Out of my cat explode, I'll be back in the freak mode. I can observe. I'm also going to be charting out NQ here at times. I'm actually considering going back to NQ, but not sure yet. Ultra bond market trying to wake up. Still got half an hour until its market opens. Yes, they are. Blue Sky doing another seminar and giveaway today on their Discord. I need to start doing graphics for that. Hard to keep up with anything. I need help, but can't pay anybody to help me. They're giving away an evaluation. It's a raffle type of thing. From out with a gangster twist. See, if I'd been going for 4 ticks, I would have hit target. 4 ticks at 2 contracts is the same as 8 ticks as 1. I know. I'm, into that heavy math there. Reminder, I've been trying to put out more non-live content lately. If you want to support the channel, check out the non-live content I'm putting out, so it starts getting picked up by the algorithms and all. So far, all 3 videos I put out this week has less than 100 views. I need views and likes, so the algorithm picks it up. So that's a great way to support the channel. They're all quick videos. Just run them in the background, no sound on. Ooh, big pop back up. Guaranteed there won't be any calculus, Jay, because I never learned calculus. Wow, so this would have definitely not gone 2 before getting stopped out this huge, almost 3-point candles. Some sort of news popping that I'm not aware of. Not that I see. So that was a huge, 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 huge candle. Bigger candle than we've seen in a long time. I mean, maybe all night. Or since back here, when Europe was, yeah, right there. That was a 4-point candle right there, right after Europe opened. And it's coming right back down. Okay, this is kind of odd price action here at 7:52 in the morning. All the way back down. Struggling at this level, pulling back a tad. Took a short there off that sugar candle. It might be a mistake since it's been all wonky here, but we'll see. The fact that it came up and quickly got beaten all the way back down, I kind of like. The stop at the top of that last candle, so 7-tick stop. It's stair stepping back up to that EMA. Stop is above the EMA by about 3 ticks. Watching the bid and the ask. Sideways. It might stair step back up on us. To the EMA. There we go. Can it break through this bottom though? Struggle. So you can see that wick hitting the same area 3 times, 3 candles, and then this one was one. There we go. That's what we're talking about right there. Come on, push down some more for me. Three ticks. Coming back up. Patience. It is a virtue, they say. Hands to rise. There's 5 ticks if I had gone for 5 ticks. Jumpy there. There, target hit. Boom, yeah. So we start the day off with a win. In at 41.58 out of 41.56. $100, 96 after commission. Not thou, I will not break. I'm sorry, the problem with having real music on when I'm streaming is I tend to start singing out loud. Thank you, JC. So 1 for 1 this morning. I started with a win yesterday too, and then it all went south. So hopefully today will not be a repeat. One, it's not that I prefer just to show it here. The problem is I haven't shown consistency with my strategy enough to feel like it should be published. Because I mean, I eventually plan on doing that video, but it's like I feel like, well, here's my strategy, but I haven't been able to show the results from it, even though I know it works. It's just my psychology that makes it not work, or not work for me. So that's why I haven't done that video yet. Ooh, and right back up. So popping up. Touches that EMA, sniffs it, comes back down. I'm glad you do it. I'm glad you are one. You know, I may do that, the strategy video here. Just, I'd love to see someone trade my strategy and prove to me I'm right that it works, but it's all in my head why I'm not consistently profitable. Sitting here. Looks like it might want to come back up, but we'll see. Still struggling to get through that 20 EMA. All right, one. And we did break the EMA here. Are we gonna be popping back up? Popping fresh dough? Or not? Hanging around 41.57. Isn't that a key area yesterday we kept hanging around? Let's go back in time. Alright, it's not what I wanted. That one won't show me the. Let's do this line for a second. Nope, 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 nope. Put this here. Let's go back in time. We're gonna turn back time. Yeah, this was a key area yesterday for a while. Kept hitting it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and finally it broke lower. But it's trying to rise here. Morning, Speed Racer. How's the tires today? No Dakota yet today. Hope he's okay. He left kind of abruptly yesterday. I was thinking about taking that short right there. Looks like I should have. We'll mark it off. Oftentimes, after seeing something like keep hitting that EMA but failing to break it, you'll see another move in the direction that away from it. Excuse me 1 second. Worked. So that wasn't bullish engulfing up, but we're under the EMA, 100 EMA, so not interested, even though it's gone a point. Waiting for our next entry. 1 for 1 on the morning. Now we're sitting here. Sitting on top of the EMA. Watching price actions slip away. Ooh, there's a bullish engulfing back down. So just hanging around here, 41.57. 10 minutes until the ultra bond market opens, and it's been rising up. It's waking up. Theoretically, this is a trigger candle, but this chop just makes me not want to take it. We'll see if I should just take every trigger, but I don't think I should here. We'll mark it to buy a fat trigger. Just watching. Copper popping up. You see the Ultra Bond's been on this upward trend here. This is the 5-minute chart. Basically since 1 a.m. last night, just been continuing to rise. In fact, it's probably made a new daily high. Yes, it has. Excuse me 1 second. back as we watch the chop. It's like watching a butcher shop. Chop, chop, chop. Or maybe someone like, maybe lumberjacks. Although I don't think they really chop much anymore. They all use machinery. So nobody's talking this morning, so that's why I'm here talking about lumberjacks. So I would have stopped out if I had taken that short. The opposite long would have worked well, but wouldn't have been in the plan. Watching this come up to the 100. You can see we bounced off the 100 several times. Here, here, and here. Again. Boom. Tickling that 20. So it looks like G-Man's gone. He's left the Discord server as well. See if he left the Earn to Trade as well. He was on Earn to Trade's Discord. This is what I do when market's chopping. I look at stuff like this. Hey, welcome, Sid. How are you this morning? As we hang around 41.59, looking for a move up, or looking for a move anywhere. So just kind of chopping here. Looks like Ultra Bond would have been the star of the morning. Pulling back a little bit. Ultra Bond market opens in less than a minute. As we continue to just chop around. Remember unemployment report in about 10 minutes. Maybe then we'll get some movement. I personally, hey Ma, and I personally use the 1 minute. Ooh, big drop. That was technically a trigger candle there, but the chop got me. Should always remember that when the Treasuries markets opens, we sometimes or often see a big move. But yeah, I use a 1 minute time frame. Didn't see much movement there on the Treasury itself, and bouncing right back up. Wow, bouncing back up with a vengeance. So strong bounce off that third band on the downside, all the way back up at 41.56. So I mean, it's only a two. Well, what do we hit here? 41.56.50. We just hit 41.60. It's about a 4-point bounce. Bounces off that 100 again. So we're going to probably stay flat here until after the unemployment news. Good morning, Avi. Yep, 1 for 1 today so far, up 96 bucks. That's after commissions. Hoping to add to that. Thanks, Avi. At least once a week I tell myself I should quit. Coming back down here. Always, Avi. Always feel free to make a suggestion. Yeah, I mean, I don't like with yeah, I mean, there is on the Blue Sky account. There's already a max loss in place of 1,000. So, and I don't usually I will not do more than half of whatever the max loss is on the parameters of the account. I mean, my losses usually I don't. Yesterday was the worst day for a while. But coming back down. As for max profit, I don't know. I do agree about not giving back, but it's also there's that thought that if you're actually in tune to the market that day, maybe that's not the time to stop. That said, I also have more than one account, so if I hit like any targets or stops, I can switch accounts. Chopping around here, 41.58. Keep thinking short here. I'm gonna go short. Probably not gonna go for that huge. I mean, that looks like a huge target. No, I just so you know, I do agree with everything you're saying, Avi. I'm not arguing at all. I just well, I just gave back. That was a quick burst back up. Never mind on that short, and now I'm down for the day. No, I'm not. Oh yeah, good. Did I move my stop? I'm still up for the day. I forgot to move my stop. Now let's see if moving my stop actually hurt me because, yep, it did. My original entry was 51. I'm sorry, 41.57.75. So a 2-point stop him in 59.75. It would not have touched that. Let's see if that just killed me. No, you're right, Avi. You're not the only one I've heard that from. And I agree. Hey, Hassan, we're agreeing to the things that Avi just said. How's Hassan doing today? Always check gold whenever I see Hassan. Like we're about mid-range on gold. Well, we need to sleep sometime, Hassan. Wow, there's the unemployment report. Boom, shakalaka. We're up 5 points. It's the unemployment report. Every Thursday, Hassan. Every Thursday, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern. Let's go check the numbers. Jobless claims 196K. Forecast was 190K. So that's the first time it's actually been above the forecasted number in a while. Sign that the economy could be slowing down, so that's why the market has boomed up. Up about 5 points, pulling back. And Q up about 15. Continuing to rise. 41.65.
Took a quick short there. Sorry I didn't show it. Hold on. I'll show it now. It was really quick. In at 41.63 at it. It was only for 3 ticks, but so I got another 30 bucks. $75 minus 12. 63. We're up $63 now in the day. Great job, Sid. Thanks, Hassan and Avi. I think this might come down more, but I wasn't going to chance it. So it was a quick hitter. Now we're sideways a little bit higher. High day on ES, 41.70, so we're not too far off of that. We see we're engulfing on the hourly. $41.63 half, still trying to push up here. Got up to $41.65 on that news move. That's our only news today. No other news besides natural gas inventories. Not even a Fed speaker on the docket. Well, there are cattle futures, Sid. They don't open till 9:30. You know, obviously the thought is that. Oh, good morning, Ace. Obviously the thought is about AI making jobs obsolete. We keep here. I mean, for years we've heard about how machines are gonna continue to make people's out of work, and yet right now our unemployment rate's at what 3.4. So I mean I don't know. I gotta. It seems like for everything that machines or AI or whatever takes away, there's more. And everyone started talking about how driverless cars were going to put taxi drivers out of business, and yet we're seeing more so far. Driverless cars seem to be causing more accidents. Yeah, people will need to pivot. They should learn to trade. And we're coming back down, back through that 100 and the 20. Quick fall. Took the short there. Probably stupid. I think we're going to bounce. We're bouncing. Oh, no. Although I'm still down on this entry. I got in, I think, 2 ticks late. Yeah, I think it's going to nail me. Out. So now we're down on the day. Nice bounce there. And now we're red on the day. Going for that all red week this week. Good morning, RJ. It top ticked me on that stop out too. Now it's coming right back down for me. So we'll try again. Are you kidding me? So it's going to be barcoding. It's going to knock me out again here. That's okay. Morning, Robin. One tick from stop. There we go. Another nice stop out. Down 145. Maybe we'll blow this account today. Yay. So we're going to chop around. I'll try to wait for another entry. That won't work.
So, oh, awesome, Sid. Yeah, normal's not too far away. It's a pretty normal area. Yep, JC, Bloomington normal. Or below no for short. Yep, corn, soybeans, nothing to look at. All right, good luck, Ace. Nice call there, Ace. We rise back up. I would have got 2 if I would have went the other way. Oh dear. So, about 45 minutes till the bell rings. Again, NQ looks like the easier to trade today. Down, did not break the 100, so I would not have been tempted to go short there. And then a break back up. And it would give me 10. I appreciate that, Ace. Really, I really do.
That is Matt LaRocco's code for Apex.
Me putting his code is my way of paying him for all he's done for me.
Giving back a bit.
Yeah, anytime you see an Apex code, that's gonna be Matt's. Anytime you see an Elite Trader funding thing, that'll be Chef. All the rest are mine, and I have signed up now for like every affiliate program. We now have listed on the Discord Earn Your Trade, Top Step, Blue Sky, Apex, Elite Trader Funding, Bull and Ox Trade Day, UProfit, Lilu, Blue Sky, I said that right, and One Up. The only major ones I don't have are Tick Tick and Take Profit Trader. Continuing to rise up here, about 40 minutes to the bell. So we're watching here as we rise up. $41.65 again, which was the high of this news candle. We just touched it again and fell back. Another bullish engulfing now. I see I'm just kind of sitting on the sidelines here, and it's stupid. I'm just back to kind of licking my wounds here, but these would be working.
So 7 minutes to the bell. Energies markets are open. I haven't really looked at crude this morning. What's crude doing? Crude is choppy. Choppy. Not doing much at all. Did come down. Oh, did have a wow. Did actually have a pretty good fall there. Let's look at that. Yeah, made new daily lows. Look at that. Boom. You would love to see elk poop up close. Okay. To each their own. Ace, I didn't know you were looking for a hookup. Okay, I need to start being a smart aleck. I do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. 5 minutes until the top of the hour. Hold on 1 second. As we're heading up, as I was trying to say before I got interrupted, I do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. A few minutes before the top of the hour. Hopefully we can turn the day around. Wow, big burst up there. So off of this trigger, so this one would have been a winner and this one would have been a winner. Oops. So got up to 41.66. Remember, high day is 41.70.25. And Q also rising up nicely. Up to 12.716.
Metals just went wild. Whoa! Back above 1900 for gold. Up about 10 points here in the last 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Copper, also new high a day. You seeing any reason for that, Hassan? Oh, we have a Fed speaker speaking. That was not on the calendar. Fed's barking was barking. Apparently he's been speaking for the last 15 minutes or so. They're hanging here. Kind of leveling out this 41.65. There's the top of the hour. Look at crude bump up there. Up about 18 ticks and then right back down.
Yes, pulling back just slightly.
Oh, and up crude tried to pop up there and coming right back down. All the currencies are rising up. And back up. Hammond and Hall in here. Let's see if it continues up or if we're going to reverse. Less than a half an hour to the bell. Did have a bounce there on crude. Now they're engulfing there. Not really going anywhere. Stagnant, maybe stagnant until the bell. Well, you see copper taking off. Ultra bonds made beautiful move up, but it's kind of sideways now.
We're watching. Just trying to push up. And down. Give me a minute. Back, sorry. Morning, John. How are you doing today? Just kind of watching here, waiting. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. So we head toward the bell. Yeah, I saw that huge move up on gold. Is it short on gold there or long? That gold's pulling back a bit. It's quite that rise up. It's the highest we've been for a week or so, and it started just like dropping harsh.
And we're coming down from our high here of 41.66 down to 41.63. Slow grind down. More than meets the eye. See if it's kind of grinding along the bands. And did break the EMA there. Above the 100 EMA though. So I didn't take it. Come down a few ticks. Alright, good luck on that, JC. Down to the 100 EMA. Nice move down here. Yeah, swing trading, could definitely, I don't know, it depends on whether you can relax knowing there's a trade going, but yeah, it's much more, relaxed than day trading. But usually need wider stops though, don't you, John? If I look at a 4-hour chart, I have a nice signal there for a 24-point move. Hey, that would have been awesome. Of course, I would have had to been up at 5 a.m. So up and then back down here. Having and hauling at 41.62 with about 17 minutes to the bell. And back down. Let's look at the higher time frames here. See, we're definitely coming up nicely on the 5, but pulling back to its EMA there. 15, it's bearish engulfing, interesting. 30. So far everything looks like an upside.
Trying to break through this 100. 40, 60, 75. Has not yet touched JC's entry. Got within one tick. And big move back up. He uses fibs, Sid. Sitting here 41.62. Sorry, I've been getting a little bit quiet, kind of in deep thought here. As we head toward the bell. So gosh darn it, JC, you got within one tick, and it would have been a nice move up. The one who knocks, welcome. That depends on either the broker or the prop firm you're using. It's different for everybody. Um, what who are you trading with? Bounce there, possibly. Hello, Victor. How you doing? Uh, okay. Tick tick is $5 round turn for everything. So they are the most expensive prop firm for commissions. $5 round turn. Yep, they're $5 for everything, $1 for their micros, but $5 for any regular size contract. Pushing through that 100 here as we're 10 minutes from the bell. Markets are moving decently. I'm not trading them well, but they're moving decently. Hasn't gotten there yet. Again, within one tick, about. You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. What's Ultra Bond been doing? Ooh, Ultra Bond's looking kind of deadish now, but everything kind of is. But we got the bell coming up, so maybe we can get some movement. We're just kind of watching here, waiting. Waiting for the bell. No Mr. G today. No Dakota. Stream has no energy today because I don't have any energy today. That's a bearish engulfing right there. I don't know if I consider that a bearish engulfing. Interesting. But popping back up. So we're hemming around 4160 to 4162. It's hit 4161 3 times, hasn't gotten lower. Kind of watching. Popping back up here 5 minutes before the bell. Morning, Burrow. How you doing? Heading up. So again, 41.61 even. Sent market back up twice now. And we're pushing up here right before the bell. We got up to 41.66 quarter a half hour ago. We're at about a point of that now. Touching those bands, still heading up inside those bands. Watch it in here, pulling down. 90 seconds to the bell. Rise it up here right before the bell. 30 seconds or so. Ding, 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 ding. Quick rise up. Remember 4170.25 is the high of the Globex. Just hit 4166.75. Pulled down. Big move down. Range in between 63 and 65, 66, I mean. Big quick dip down and coming right back up. There's a move down below the 100, bouncing off though. And heading back up, choppiness. Ooh, big whip down. Can it get through? Oop, there, boom, down through that 4160. 4160 half. Big fall. Low a day, well down below 4128. Got down to 4158.75. And quick bounce back up to a green candle. Our ATR still under 2. Try to bounce back up here. If it gets beaten back down. And Q also doing the same right now. Candle's gonna close here. Back to green. Still not getting direction here. It's like it's struggling to get footing up above. It's trying, keeps trying, but gets knocked back. Seeing some big wicks there to the top side. And down. It's got some momentum down. Not a lot of momentum. Oh, right back to green. ATR stuck slightly above 2. Sorry to hear that, JC. Again, big wicks to the upside. Pushing down. Big strong move down. It quickly whips back up. No direction. We'll wait and see what we can get. Still can't decide what it wants to do. The downside is definitely, it definitely looks like it wants to go to the downside, but these big moves back up as it's fighting would be hard to play. There's a whip down, 41.58. It's continuing to push down. It's a very choppy move down here. Kind of watching, waiting. See what Ultra Bond's doing. Ew, the Ultra Bond chart looks ugly too. Copper coming down. Natural gas rising. Crude still falling. Gold, oh wow. Gold gave back almost that entire move.
Thank you, Zabak. I'm a one-up affiliate. I didn't get an email. Was that in an email, Zabak, or is it on their website? Yes, still pushing down. Now that might have been an entry right there. See the way that wicked up and came back down to a red candle? That would have been a great entry right there. That would have finally been the entry that maybe I should have taken. This one was kind of similar, though that one, the wick up would have been a little bit of a killer. Our ATR has gotten up to almost 3. Pushing down. All right, good luck. Whoa. Okay, good luck on that. Yeah, they're never going to do that, Zabak. There's two different tiers of prop firms, in my opinion. You have Top Step, Earn to Trade, One Up, Blue Sky, and Trade Day is one tier. They're ones that either put you right on a live account or have parameters to put you right on a live account, set parameters, and then you have the ones that start you off with SIM before putting you on a live at some indiscriminate point or never put you on live, and that's Apex, ETF, Boa Knox, couple others that I'm forgetting now, Lilu. And I don't think you're never gonna see 80% discounts from Earn to Trade, Top Step, One Up, anything like that. Ones I mentioned, you can get payouts in day one of your funded account. Well, not Top Step. I apologize. Not Top Step. Day, Earn to Trade, One Up, and the one I'm just now forgetting again because Blue Sky, duh, my sponsor. Um, they're all you can get payouts in day one of being funded if you get above the threshold and get so on and so forth. So getting back down to 41.53.
Mm, still struggling. And back up. So nice bounce off of 41.52 half up to 41.59. See if it holds. Does not hold yet. Big wick, little body. Oh, no, let's try it again here. At the end of the candle. And back down. Let's see what this wants to do here. Nope, back to green. Nice strong move up here. Up to the 100. No other news this morning. Just natural gas inventories. Natural gas is pretty dead anymore. Do have some news tomorrow. Yeah. They're booming up to 41.62. That's awesome, Sid. So that should have been a trigger candle for me, but I got hesitant. All right, good luck on that, JC. Gotten up to 41.65. Pulling down a bit. Sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic with my hand. Big pullback here. Nice. Great job there. I've told myself after a big move up like that yeah, bearish golfing is a good sign, but wasn't gonna take it. Excellent work there, JC. Oh, big move back down. Huge. So we got it to 65 and it fell to 54. Trying to get back down below this. Just an absolute. I have totally 100% lost my mojo. Pretty much 1 minute for me. This would have worked both up and then back down. We hit 41.52 half there.
Trying to get through that same area now. That's an interesting big wick now of bullish engulfing back up. Strong move. Now getting beaten back down. Getting beaten down like a red-headed step candle. Ended up being a bullish engulfing anyway, and nice little 2 points move up. Again, bounced off the same area. Wow, big move down there. Bounced off that 100, I mean, yeah, 20, and right back down. Broke that line. That's why I put those lines there, because they immediately break them when they do. I should just, like, as soon as I place a line, I should take a trade in that direction. Almost the top of the hour here. So, does it want to continue coming down? All right, great job, RJ. And there it comes back down.
Hang in here. 10 seconds on this candle. I'm watching it. It's not making me confident in that move quickly up there. Yep, that's going back up. I almost regret starting that whole week of review thing, because this week's going to be a horrible week to do the review for. Back up to 57. Back up to the 20. And we're just kind of hemming and hawing here. We look at NQ here. MQ is looking as ugly as ES. You see, each time this is touching at 20, touched here, boom, back down. Now it touched here. Let's see where this goes. It's going 2.5 points. I've been looking for 3. I think it's going to give it to me. Yep, both. So each time that touched that 20 EMA, it's come back down and would have given me a win. Just kind of hanging here. Less than an hour left on the stream. Sitting down 145.
Again, touching that EMA. Struggling to get above it. 41.56 half there. And back down. With a bearish engulfing. Nope. Yep. Maybe. Doesn't know what it wants to do. About 25 seconds on that candle. I hear the train coming. Ended up not liking that candle. Strong move up. 41.58 half. Ten seconds. Ooh, big move up here in the last few seconds of this candle. 3.5 points now. Pulls back after sniffing the 100. It's a 100 sniffer. Hey, Crypt, how you doing? Glad to hear that, Crypticon. The PS5 trick working today for you? So right back down after that move up. I went short. And immediately it was in profit, turned against me. Nice. Wow. In the time it took me to show my chart, it went from being in profit to going against me. Let's see what it does. It's going to stop me out here. Okay, so that'll be my last trade of the day. I'm tired of it. That would have worked. No, wait. I'm wrong. I've been going for 2 points. It would have worked if I got in at the right time. But I moved it up to 3. I'm done. Nice job, Crypticon. So commentate about the market going up and down for the next 45 minutes, but not going to take any more trades today. So it's hanging here. Hey, go ahead, share. We're chopping. Just chopping around 41.56. We were chopping around this same area yesterday. I remember constantly saying 41.57 yesterday. Trying to pop up here. Watching it, trying to come up here, struggling to get above 41.57 half. Oh, now 41.58.
Popping up. Hitting that third band, pulling back. Looking like it wants to try and move to the upside, and as I say that, quick burst down. Pulls back to the EMA. And right back down. Still looks like it wants to kind of head up though, but maybe not. Watching. There's just move back up. Sniffing that 100. Pull one back down. After the 100 sniffing. Chop, chop, chop. Trying to get above 41.58 here. This is weird, guys. Very weird. You know, I switched over to Apex and trading off screen, not telling you guys when I'm entering a trade, and now I'm up $325 on the Apex account. I took that trade off that bullish engulfing up. That was a winner. And I took this one here up, and that was a winner. Back down. So if you take the Apex and then you take the blue sky, I'm about break even on the day. Except for those people who can't be up at those hours. That was a good short signal, Ace. Honestly, when you said it, we weren't there yet, but this would have been a trigger candle, but I didn't trust it because of the chop. But actually, every single one of these bearish engulfings would have worked for 2 or 3 points. Or more. Falling. We got down to 50. Whoa, big move down. That was a wonderful short signal there, Ace. Oh, this drop. Lower than we've been since Europe opened. UB. Nice. Yeah, UB. Nice moves down here. Wow, bottom just dropping here. So there's the move out of the chop finally. Continuing to drop below that 45 mark the RJ was talking about, down to 43, 42. What's low day? Oh, we're still way off low day. 28. Oh, nice, Victor. Great job. How many contracts do you usually enter at a time? Nice. Still coming down. I did see it, Ace. I just not in a laughing mood this morning. Oh, nothing to be sorry about. Just thinking maybe it's time to reevaluate. Look at that. Look at gold. Gold just wild. Did make it about 1900 and then almost back down to its daily low.
Yeah, that one worked. Trying to pop back up here from the hitting those lows. Back up to 45. Nice job, Victor. Wow, I just took that long on the Apex account, and I'm now at $550 on Apex. So after having an absolute horrible day on Blue Sky, I come in, and now this is interesting. This still talks to my psychology, guys. Apex, of course, is running their 80% sale. So I said, you know what? My account renews for the same price. If I blow it, I can just cancel that one and get a new one. And since then, I'm like just taking trades. I'm going in three trades, three contracts per trade. And here, let me show my chart. So here's my Ninja chart. You can see, I saw this. If you look at the trading view chart, I saw this bullish engulfing. Just decided to take it. And I didn't even stay in for the whole trade. I'm trading three contracts, so it was like a $200 trade. Just getting, I got a point and a half, so I got 6 ticks. The other trade was back here. This one I only got 2 ticks, and then this one here, I got, it's in the words up there. Also got 6 ticks. So 2 ticks, 6 ticks, 6 ticks, and because I'm running three contracts, it's added up to $550. And it's just like a devil may care attitude because if I blow the account, I just get the new one at the same price. And I don't know why I can't keep that attitude all the time. I mean, I'm not taking trades that are just YOLOs or gambling. I'm taking, like I said, I waited for this bullish engulfing after it looked like I had down wicks here, and I just wrote it up for this candle here. I don't know why the other thing is, I'm not taking them on camera, so if I did take that loss there, no one would have seen it. Not that I'm trying to hide anything, it's just maybe streaming is bad for me. I mean, I can't say that 100% because, I obviously I do trade after stream too, and I haven't really done that much better, but I don't know. I think it's more the whole I need to just let things happen and let them fall where they may just by taking my setups. So popping up to the EMA here, 41.49. So now on the day, 525 minus 300. I'm not subtracting, or what was it? I'm not subtracting commission from 550 minus 300. I'm up $250 on the day between the two accounts. On which point, JC? The fact that because I know I. Which point? I mean, there I recognize the fact that we hit bottom. I had considered taking a short there, didn't. We got a little bit further down, popped back up, saw the bullish engulfing, and took the trade. I didn't even hold it for the whole candle. I didn't hold it for the profit target. I would have gotten the profit target. But, doing 3 contracts, which I never do otherwise, I was happy to close it for like a $200 win. Now, of course, the other side of that is if, I would have took the loss, I've been a loss of a bunch on 3 contracts. Now getting a bearish engulfing back down here. Yeah, well, part of the problem is, though, Burrows, I don't read it as well in real time. I don't know. Some days I'm really in tune to my strategy, and other days I hate chop days. I mean, everybody hates chop. Well, most people hate chop days. Some people like playing small range, but yeah, I mean, here, let's turn back time. It's time for the song, right? Let's turn back time. This was yesterday. Every purple line you see would have been a winning setup. Now, I think from the time the stream started to the market closed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37, 38 winners. The blue, of course, are losers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what did I say? 38? 38 and 10 yesterday over 8 hours or so. I think that's 6 to 2:30, but yeah, about 8.5 hours. Right, taking every setup, 38 and 10. So a net 28 wins. But, these setups, if we look at them, they do go, they're up and down. Let's take a look. This one back down, this one
didn't work. This one down. Just trying to use that 100, but sometimes it's, you know, both directions. And so many times I hesitate. Like, obviously there, I'm just taking, when I do the back testing like that, there's no hesitation. It's the setup, take it. But like here, let's say maybe here, this was actually a decent setup as well and would have been a winner. Bounced off that 100, red candle bouncing off that 100. But I might have waited until because it popped up, I might have waited until it went back to red and got in 2 to 3 ticks late, and that might have cost me the win. I have the strategy on algo, but there's no way to filter out the way I filter. The algo is set up that, it doesn't know how to filter out pullbacks. Like, the algo might have taken this long, reached its profit target, came down, didn't know this was just a dip, would have taken this short, got stopped out, and probably we wouldn't have got, this would have been the long signal, it wouldn't have got in there because it would probably been still in the process of being in that short and not stopped out yet. So that's the main issue with my algo. My algo is set up with my strategy. It doesn't have the bullish and bearish engulfing strategy. That's new, but it has the take the trade when it breaks the 20 strategy, but it doesn't know not to just get, especially a trend day is absolutely the worst thing for my strategy. I mean, not for my strategy, I'm sorry, for my algo. Because if, like here, let's see if I can find it. Trying to find a good trend. We haven't had a good trend day, have we? Keeps taking the dips instead of realizing that the trend's going to continue. Like here, would have taken that dip or that dip instead of, and then it doesn't get back in the other way. I've tried it with the 100, which is what I'm doing now, and haven't been able to get success yet. But I may need to do more testing. Again, if we look at this, so I put that on the wrong trigger. That's a trigger candle. This would have been another trigger. And would not have given us 2 yet. But let's say I kind of probably wouldn't have taken that as a trigger. Anyway, you can see these bands are kind of squeezing back up, so would have to push them down. So that would be a filter that I would run in my mind if I saw it in time. Because see, this would have stopped out. I have not SID. I have 2 now, Burl. I have, like right here, my original strategy is if a candle breaks the 20 EMA and we're below the 100 EMA, this would have been a short, and then the opposite for longs. Right here, that would have been a long up because now secondary, I'm looking at engulfing candles to get in when there's already a trend going.
as well as touches of the EMA. So like that wicked up to the EMA, came back down, was a red candle, take short. Those are my basic strategies. See, like right now that would have stopped me out. You know, this is technically a trigger, but I probably would not take it, just because we've been coming down, up. I'm thinking this might be an up, down, up move, and we're kind of squeezing. And we touched the band. Speed Racer, I see you're cheating on me with Travis. Of course, I'm kidding. Is he a live streamer or just puts out non-live content? And I was right about this popping back up. Okay. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Big boom. Wow. Look at that, guys. $450 trade on Apex. Check this out. So as I find my software, there it is. I took that long there. I entered at 4150.25, out at 4153.25 for all three contracts. 3 points times 150, $450. Apex is now up $1,000 on the day. For those that want to see that, hold on. Let me turn that off first. John, depends on ATR. Sometimes it's a 2-point stop, 2-point target. Sometimes it's 3 points, 3 points. So there it is. Nice big 1K. Why can't I do that when I'm showing my chart on stream? Now, I will admit, and wow, that came right back down. I did hesitate even there, and I got in like 2 ticks late. If I look at my chart, 41, 49 half, and I got in at 41.50.25. So I got in 3 ticks late, 2 ticks if you count the normal market order slippage. and right back down. Now, if I hadn't been all giddy about that, being this far up into the bands, that was a good time to short. I could have just hit reverse on that trade. So overall today, now my P&L, if you take Blue Sky and Apex, is $700. And Apex has all been in the last half an hour. Now, this is technically another trigger for me coming up. Back up. No, actually, it's not. You know what? That wasn't even a trigger for me now that I think about it. That was actually against my trading plan because we are below the 100. But you can see that it looks like on the short term, it wants to go long. So I have been more looking at the short term as well. Let's see if this ends up going. I don't think this is. I don't think it's going to give it to me. Would have given it to me again. I did not enter. I think we're going to chop, and I'm right. We're chopping again. On market. Thank you, Victor. Staying above that 100. I'm sorry, about the 20. Big wicks down. Okay, so yep, this would have stopped out. Well, maybe. Yep. Now technically that is a trigger candle down, but right now we're just chopping again, or maybe not. Yep. See that? It's gone 7 ticks. Taking silver long. High ho silver. Oh wow, look at gold bouncing off its low day there. Double bottom. Silver dipping. Oh, we made it almost the entire stream for until got a warning from YouTube that it's swirling. Hit your live button, guys. Let's see how that popped back up. Again, that would have been
a potential trigger, but I wouldn't have trusted it after that move down. Although that big wick there, that was definitely. Bullish engulfing here is interesting. Haven't been able to read it well. I've looked at it some. And a better engulfing back down. Day I wanted, I mean, for Blue Sky. On the Apex account, I was red, now in green. It's up to $584 in total profit, so I still need like yeah, I have good upload speed, so I have no idea. Have a great day, everyone. Stay green. Wow, big move down there. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.